There can be no greater experience than the sight and sound of steam. And there can be no better way to enjoy the best of British countryside than from your own seat on board one of the world's greatest of steam train journeys. Statesman Rail brings that whole unique experience together in the Fellsman, a unique family day out with the accent on nostalgia. The Fellsman, starting in Lancaster and picking up passengers at Preston, Bamber Bridge, Blackburn, Clitheroe and Long Preston, runs every Wednesday throughout the summer over the renowned Settle to Carlisle line, taking travellers on a 260-mile round trip to the historic city of Carlisle. The train's route takes in the famous climb of the Long Drag and Ribblehead viaduct as the train crosses this spectacular line through the stunning Pennine Hills and over the roof of England. There are three classes of accommodation: Standard, First and Premier. A family ticket is also available and prices start from just £69. Book online and you can save an extra 5%. Connections can be made with Virgin train services at Lancaster and Preston. In addition, there is a discounted add-on ticket of just £5 to connect into the Fellsman at either Preston or Blackburn, using scheduled services from stations in Lancashire, Merseyside and Greater Manchester on Northern Rail trains. In Premier, passengers enjoy a full table silver service with a traditional cooked British breakfast served on the outward journey and a sumptuous evening meal on the return. As they say, it's the only way to travel. Available to book for either 2 adults or for groups of up to 14 passengers, this original 1930 Great Western Directors Saloon provides the ultimate of comfort and privacy for that special occasion. Enjoy canapes, champagne and wine in some style. Whether enjoying the scenery or the steam engine working hard on the steep grades, there is something for everyone on board the Fellsman. The train stops at the Westmoreland station of Appleby. Here, an alternative to continuing on to Carlisle would be to take a 1950s vintage bus ride to England's most beautiful lake at Ullswater. Nestling below Helvellyn and offering panoramic vistas, Fellsman passengers then sail over the full length of the lake to Pooley Bridge, with a return by coach to Appleby. Passengers who travel to Carlisle can enjoy the delights of this borders city. Shops, museums and cathedral all await. But the day is not yet over, as once more our steam locomotive attaches to the Fellsman and starts out on its return journey to Lancaster. It's nostalgic, it's unique, it's the experience of a lifetime, and it's called the Fellsman. For telephone reservations, call 0845 310 2458 or 2489.